Welcome to Funimation 3D. Have you ever heard raindrops tap on your window and thought, wait, where did all that rain come from? Did the clouds fill up like giant water balloons? Did the sky pour water from a secret bucket? Get ready, little explorers, because today we are following one tiny drop of water on a big, splashy, sky-high adventure. This amazing trip is called the water cycle, and once you see how it works, you will never look at clouds the same way again. Our adventure begins under the warm, shining sun, where water sparkles in oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, puddles, and even on wet leaves after the morning dew. The sun is like a giant heater in the sky. When sunlight warms the water, some of it begins to change. It turns from liquid water into an invisible gas called water vapor. Poof! Up it goes into the air. This step is called evaporation. Evaporation means water rises into the air, even when you cannot see it happening. That may sound like magic, but you have probably seen clues before. Have you ever noticed steam floating up from hot soup, tea, or cocoa? That is water moving into the air. Tiny bits of water are escaping and rising. Now imagine the same kind of thing happening over oceans, rivers, and puddles all around the world. Up, up, up goes the water vapor, carried higher by warm air, but the sky gets cooler as the water rises. And when water vapor cools down, something exciting happens. The tiny, invisible bits of water start slowing down. They gather together and turn back into teeny, tiny drops of liquid water. This step is called condensation. Condensation is how clouds begin. Way up in the sky, little droplets gather around tiny bits floating in the air. And slowly, a cloud is born. Some clouds are light and fluffy, like cotton candy. Some are long and wispy, like brushstrokes in the sky. Some are thick, gray, and heavy, looking like they are hiding a rainy surprise. Have you ever stared at a cloud and thought it looked like a dragon, a rabbit, or a castle? Clouds can be fun to watch, but they are also very busy. They are holding millions of tiny water drops. As more and more water joins the cloud, the droplets bump together and grow bigger. Bigger and bigger. Heavier and heavier. The cloud tries to hold them, but uh-oh, it cannot hold them forever. When the drops get too heavy, down they fall to earth. Splash, drip, plop! This is called precipitation. Precipitation is a big word, but it simply means water falling from the sky. It can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Today, our little drop is coming down as rain. The rain lands everywhere. It taps on rooftops, slides down windows, soaks into soil, fills puddles, and trickles through grass. Rain gives thirsty plants a drink. It helps trees grow tall and strong. It fills rivers, lakes, and streams. Animals need rainwater. People need rainwater. Farmers need rain to help grow fruits and vegetables. Rain is not just fun to splash in. It is a superhero for life on Earth. And guess what? The journey is still not over. Some rainwater sinks into the ground and becomes groundwater. Some runs over the land into tiny streams. Tiny streams join bigger streams, and bigger streams join rivers. Many rivers travel all the way back to the ocean. Then the sun warms the water again, and the whole adventure starts all over. Up to the sky, into clouds, down as rain, and back to the land and sea. Round and round and round it goes. That is why it is called a cycle. A cycle is something that repeats again and again. The water cycle has been working on Earth for a very long time. The water you drink today may once have floated in a cloud, rushed through a river, frozen into snow, or splashed in a puddle long, long ago. Amazing, right? And here is a fun question for you. If the sun came out right after a rainy day, where do you think some of that puddle water would go next? Yep, back up into the air. So the next time you see fluffy clouds, feel warm sunshine, or hear rain drumming outside, remember the tiny water drop and its giant adventure. The sun helps water rise. Cool air helps clouds form. Heavy clouds bring rain. And rain returns water to Earth, so the journey can begin again. That is how rain happens, and that is the wonderful magic of the water cycle. Thanks for learning with Funimation 3D. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Funimation 3D for more fun adventures.